Hi everyone, want to replace a screen or sign in your video? Here's how to do screen tracking and replacement in Filmora 14. Super easy. So let's get started. First open the Filmora 14 and import your clip with a visible screen or surface you want to replace, like a phone, laptop, or TV. Then here apply a motion tracking. Just drag your clip into the timeline and select it and click the motion tracking from the toolbar. Position the tracking box over the screen area you want to track, and make sure the area has a good contrast, clear edges for accurate tracking. Then add a replacement clip or image. Import the image or video you want to appear on the screen. Place it on the track above your main video. Then attach to tracking data. Back in the motion tracking settings, select the replacement media in the track object drop down. Now the new screen will follow the motion of the original. Then you can use a transform tools to resize and align the replacement perfectly over the original screen. You can adjust the opacity, rotation, and shadows to blend it naturally. Then it looks clean and realistic, hit export and you've just performed a screen replacement like a pro. Easy, right? If you want more Filmora 14 tutorials, please hit and subscribe. Comment below what you'll replace next. Thanks for watching.